Wemwega. Welcome back to Kikuyu with Wanjiru. My name is Wanjiru. Today we shall continue with our noun classes. We said that in Kikuyu we have 17 noun classes. Noun classes are like ngeli in Swahili. Noun classes is just a way of grouping nouns according to the categories that they belong to. We did the first one and the second one. So today we are going to look at noun class 3 and 4. And here in noun classes 3 and 4 are like nature terms and other nouns. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to support this work, I have a PayPal account. So my PayPal email will be in the description bar. And also make sure you share this video, because I know there are a lot of people out there who are looking for Kikuyu language tutors. So let's go ahead and start our lesson. We are going to look at 8 nouns that belong to this category. These noun classes are called mo and me. Mo and me. This means that our nouns in singular form will start with mo. Our first noun class was also the same, but we said those are just people. But in this case, it will be any other noun that is not a person but starts with mo, and their plural will start with me. Again, the singular will start with mo, the plural will start with me. So that's why we are calling it mo, me. So number 1 is a tree. A tree is mote. Mote. As you can see, mote starts with mo. So the plural, we are kind of replacing the mo with me. So it will be mete. Mete. Mote. Mete. Number 2, we have a ball. Mofira. Mefira. Mofira. Mefira. Number 3, we have a rope. Mokada. And someone may call it mokwa. So we have mokada or mokwa. So what will be the plural of these two words? Mekada or mekwa. Mekada, mekwa. Number 4, we have hotel. Mokawa. Mokawa. So the plural will be mekawa. Mekawa. We have home. Mosie. Mosie. Messier. Homes. Messier. We have type. For example, a type of a car. We're going to say modeba. Modeba. So the plural will be medeba. Medeba. A door is murago. Murago. And doors, mirago. Mirago. A load will be morigo. Morigo. So the plural will be merigo. Merigo. Now let's move on to the next part. The next part is where we look at how do we say this noun, like how do we say this tree, this ball, this type. So this will be oyo. Remember, that's how we said when we were doing the first class. For example, we'll say this tree, mote oyo. Mote oyo. Now another part is when we want to use the adjectives, or when we want to describe these nouns. The adjectives will also start with mo for the singular and me for the plural. So if we want to say this tree is tall, this tree is tall. Tall is the adjective, so we have raihu, but because our noun starts with mo, we're going to say mo, raihu. So mote oyo ne moraihu, mote oyo ne moraihu. So mote moraihu, a tall tree, mote moraihu. What do you think would be the plural? If we want to say the plural, these, we want to say these, we are going to say eno, mete, eno, mete, eno. So we're going to say mete, eno, ne, meraihu, mete, eno, ne, meraihu, mete, eno, ne, meraihu. If we have the adjective good, is ega, ega, and we write it like this, or we always prefix these adjectives with what our nouns are prefixed with. So if we want to say a good home, good home, what did we say home was? Mosie, correct, mosie. So good will be moega, mosie, moega, mosie, moega. This home is good, mosie oyo ne moega, mosie oyo ne moega. If you want to say the plural, mesie miega, mesie eno ne miega, mesie eno ne miega. So now the next thing we're going to look at is how to say that. How do we say that in this case? For example, if we wanted to say that door, that door, so that is going to be oria, oria, just like in the first class, oria, and the plural is going to be area, those, area. So that door, we are going to say morago oria, morago oria. So if we had the adjective broken, broken, which is going to be uneku, uneku. If we now want to make a sentence with that adjective, that door is broken, we are going to say morago oria ne muneku, morago oria ne muneku, morago oria ne muneku. And the plural, merago area ne miuneku, merago area ne miuneku. So I know it can be a bit confusing because I say muneku, but when you have mo uneku, it's going to sound like just muneku, muneku, because I say mo uneku, muneku, or me uneku, it's going to be miuneku, miuneku. Another example is an old hotel, old hotel. Old, we said, is koro, koro. If now we wanted to say that hotel is old, we'll say mokawa oria ne mokoro, mokawa oria ne mokoro, mokawa oria ne mokoro. The plural, mekawa area ne mekoro, mekawa area ne mekoro. Those hotels are old. Now the last part is when we want to say of or belongs to someone. The singular form will be wa. The plural form will be ya. For example, Kamau's ball. Kamau's ball. We're going to say Mofira wa Kamau. Mofira wa Kamau. If he had many, we are going to say Mefira ya Kamau. Mefira ya Kamau. So, I am going to write a few sentences here. I hope you'll be able to do them in Kikuyu, and I hope this lesson was helpful to you. Remember to use these words today or tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Tuonane kirathi kiu kingi. Tigwo wega.